surprised when you said that you were leaving. Felt some abstract relief instead, now that we were even. If you're going, then hurry along. Don't drag your silly feet. Close the door behind you. Don't worry, I won't try to find you, but don't come crying to me when your whole world comes crumbling to your feet. No, don't come crying to me. Won't say I told you so. Don't ever wanna know. Nothing's been great since you've been gone. I got some new stuff going on. I go out, I get around, making new friends all over town. You don't even cross my mind. It's starting to feel like some old.
your tongue somewhere, don't know what to say. Stop and run around, oh you act like a kid. I am not your mama, just admit what you did. I gotta know